In the blink of an eye, AI has evolved from a futuristic concept into a revolutionary tool that's changing the world as we know it. One of its most notable applications is the creation of chatbots, specifically ChatGPT, which is transforming the landscape of digital communication. Diving into the technicalities, ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This might sound complex, but it essentially refers to the way this AI formulates responses to user prompts. It's like an automated chat service, but with an added layer of sophistication. This AI chatbot was created by OpenAI, a research company founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Since its inception, OpenAI has been backed by a slew of investors, with Microsoft being one of the most significant. Scene script. ChatGPT operates using specialized algorithms to identify patterns in data sequences. Initially, it used the GPT-3 large language model, a neural network machine learning model that formed the third generation of generative pre-trained transformers. Now it's powered by the GPT 3.5 model and GPT-4 for the ChatGPT Plus version. These newer models offer faster response times, internet plugins, and can handle more complex tasks. The secret behind its human-like text generation is deep learning, a subset of machine learning. It works by predicting the next word, sentence, or paragraph based on the typical sequence in its training data. The training starts with generic data, then moves to more specific data tailored for the task at hand. To make this chatbot even more efficient, it was trained with online text to understand human language and transcripts to grasp the basics of conversations. Human trainers then provide conversations and rank the responses. These reward models help determine the best answers. Users can also contribute by upvoting or downvoting responses and even providing written feedback. ChatGPT is capable of handling a wide range of queries, from simple facts to complex philosophical questions. It's proficient in STEM disciplines and can even debug or write code. Although it uses data up until the year 2021, its capabilities are constantly expanding. From coding to tutoring and even drafting emails, ChatGPT is being used in myriad ways. Its versatility and evolving capabilities are testament to the revolutionary nature of AI, and specifically the power of chatbots like ChatGPT. In summary, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art chatbot powered by generative pre-trained transformers. It uses deep learning to predict and generate human-like text, and its capabilities are constantly being enhanced through continued training and user feedback. Its wide range of applications and evolving capabilities are transforming digital communication, making it a key player in the AI revolution.